Hey, thanks for tuning into my channel again. This is a quick DIY video on a bike stand I bought off Amazon called Bike Hand. It's a really nice stand. It works really well. It's nothing crazy, not too expensive. I think I spent like 150 bucks Canadian, so it's like what, $40 US? No, I think it's like about 100 bucks US, so I paid roughly, like I said, like about 150 bucks. It came super quick from Amazon as usual. It came here like I think within 2 to 3 days, tops. It came assembled in the box. It was great. I just opened it up, done. I've seen some videos where you have to put these things together, like the Park Tools one, which is a nice one, but I don't have 5 hours to put something together. So this was actually pretty good in the sense that I just opened the box and took it out, and voila, this is it, it's done. So this is a really, really quick video on that unboxing. Sorry, I did it with my phone. So I did that thing that I hate when YouTubers do, where they're holding it with the one hand or they're opening the box, the X-Acto blade, you know what I mean? And it's cinematic photography, it is not. But hopefully it allows you to see what there is out there and to get a stand that's, you know, inexpensive and works well. So thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification. I don't know. Just hit the bells, the whistles, whatever. Because I mean, I'm doing mountain bike POVs. I'm doing these amazing, awesome unboxing and install videos, which I'm sure no one's watching. But yeah, so thanks for finding my channel and tuning in, and I hope you subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day. All right, got my Bike Hand from Amazon. My Bike Hand. Ugh. Bike Hand bike rack is what you call it, right? Let's open this bad boy up, see what we got. They threw my other thing in the box as well. Perfect. That I just cut open. All right, so here we go. Here's the actual Bike Hand bike rack. Or no, yeah, bike rack, no. More like a, I guess, whatever. Here we go. Well, made in Taiwan. I think that's everything out of the box. There's the cool little tool plate or tool accessory. Wow. I wonder if it's like completely assembled or not. Let's check it out. Looks like it comes completely pre-assembled, which is freaking awesome because I've seen some on there that do not. Just in case you need the instructions, they do come with instructions. It's pretty simple. You don't need those. Who needs instructions? So this thing works pretty cool. So I mean, as you saw there, I disconnected all. I've got it set up so it's like tight enough for my top tube, right? So you wind that down to get your fitting, right? Just by turning it to get the desired like thickness of that top frame, and then just boom, clamps down. Super simple. This guy here, you see those teeth right there? Basically, you drop down the back one here, and then so you're dropping it down, and then you're turning it, and then once you get it where you want there, you can then turn it. There we go. So once you get it unlocked, the teeth are unlocked. Once the teeth are unlocked, you can then turn this wherever you want for your desired thing. I like mine straight up like that. So I'm just gonna turn that in, and then click it there so it doesn't move. This guy right here, you undo that, and that will change your tilting. It's hard to do this with one hand. There we go. So as you see this, I can grab that and I can tilt it up or down, which is kind of cool. I can tip it up or down to your desired spot. And then once you get it where you want, just use your quick release here. Make sure it's nice and taut. There you go. That ain't going anywhere. There we go. Oh, it's not focusing. Okay, and then you drop down into here, into this one here. So that quick release, open that up, and this will drop down. Let's scope all the way. I don't know why you'd ever want to work on that. Maybe a kid's bike. Kid's bike would be okay like that. And then also when you drop that down, you're getting it ready to store as well. So I can drop down there. And then this one here on the bottom. This one right here. Again, you can undo the quick release. And then when you undo the quick release here, let me just put this thing on a tripod here one sec. Okay, so once you have that quick release disengaged, it allows these guys to flip up. Just like that. So once that is flipped up, you then have a very, very small stand. And the cool thing too is this is when this comes into play as well. So if you want to undo that again and then have it fold down, you can do that as well for storage. I don't really need it for that much storage. I'll probably leave that so I can put on a hook on the wall and that'll be it. But yeah, it comes together, undoes pretty darn quick. Oh, show my state flag. I miss you, Texas. Anyways, there you go. That's it. Super, super simple. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much.